In this lesson, let us look at another addressing mode, which is the PC relative addressing mode. The effective address is obtained by adding some displacement to the value contained in the program counter. The program counter, it contains the address of the next instruction that has to be executed. Suppose if I have an instruction like this: branch greater than R2 R0 to some memory address. Okay, this means that I'm going to compare R2 and R0 registers, and if the value of R2 is greater than the value in R0, then I'm going to branch to this memory address. I'm not going to execute the next instruction now. The PC is already pointing to the next instruction, whichever instruction this could be. So the PC is already there while this instruction is being executed. And this instruction says that there is a branch. If some condition is satisfied, then I have to branch to this memory location. To specify the number of memory bits, the number of bits that could be required could be large. Instead of specifying the memory address, I can specify some offset or displacement also with respect to this instruction. Suppose this address is 1500. I'm also assuming that each instruction requires one word to store, and one word is of 4 bytes. So this next instruction is at 1504. So the value that is contained in PC is already 1504. It is already pointing to the next instruction. During the course of executing this instruction, if the condition is found to be true, I have to jump to address 2000. So there has to be a change in the flow of control. The normal flow of control would have been the next instruction. Now I have to change the flow of control from this next instruction to the instruction at 2000. If this condition is satisfied, then I have to execute this instruction, whatever is this instruction over here. So instead of specifying the memory address over here, I can specify some offset, which is relative to this address. So I could have written this offset 500. That means if I add 500 to 1500, I can go here at 2000. So whatever is the value, I will augment that. There is a little twist over here. The twist is that the PC is not containing 1500, but it is containing 1504. And the offset has to be added to the value in PC. So the value, the offset that should come in this instruction should not be 500, but 496. Because when 496 will be added to the value contained in PC, this would result in 2000, and the flow of control will be shifted to the memory address 2000, where the new instruction is stored and that has to be executed. So this is the meaning of PC relative addressing mode. Instead of specifying the memory address, if there is a branch instruction, we specify the offset. This offset has to be added to the value in the PC. So we need to take care that the PC has already incremented and is pointing to the next instruction. Moreover, this offset can be positive as well as negative. It will be positive if I have to go down the program. It will be negative if I have to go to a memory address which is less than the current memory address.